Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. Well, YouTube restored my channel. That was actually pretty quick of them, though you do get left with some of your own background work you gotta do, like replacing my channel icon, my name, and unprivatizing all those videos that got privatized, which my wife is working on for me as we do this video. So hey, two things at once, right? But anyways, it really sucks getting hacked. It can do a lot of damage to you. These guys were trying to upload a stream video which YouTube deemed as dangerous, put a strike against me, which has since been, I would assume, removed. As well, that video was supposedly removed as well. They removed the hacker's access from my account. Even changing your password is not going to help you. You do have to get a hold of YouTube to get your channel restored, so even if you still had access, like I still had access to my channel and I could do certain things, but they were privatizing all my videos with some bot that was going mental doing that, and for some reason it seemed pretty selective too on the videos that they privatized on me. I don't know why, but it's kind of like whatever. But anyhow, it can happen to any of us. It has happened to many YouTube channels. Why these guys pick on small little guys like me, I have no idea. I would see them more picking on the bigger channels than they do, but I guess they're picking on everybody regardless of your size. So anyways, let's hope and pray that it doesn't happen again, because that is definitely very scary and very frustrating, especially when whatever money I do make on YouTube pays a lot of bills for me. That's pretty scary when you don't have that money being made for you, So I'm glad that YouTube was able to resolve it really quickly for me, and for the amount of footwork I have to do to get everything 100% again, that's not bad. So anyways, do stay tuned to the channel. We've got lots of videos coming up for you guys in the next little bit too. Of course, as always, different stuff, right? Like, hey, we try to keep things changing all the time. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for those who did actually comment on my wife's channel about the hack that had happened. We put it up on her channel because that's the only way we could have done it. And we have gotten comments even on Facebook as well. She shared that thing everywhere. So, for those that did support us through this and, for the concern and everything, thanks. And anyways, we shall see you guys in the next one. See ya.